Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo Mantakasngi Arpau Tarik Leber Kala Pynlong Yaka third annual science exhibition Haplau Jangka Skul Kum Shibanta Ban Rakhe Yaka National Science Day But Hagaju Kapor Kajing Pynlong Yakanika Science Exhibition Kalong Ban Pynshlur Yaki Khana Skul Ba Kindang Lum Jing Tip Shibon Hakaba Yadei Bat Kita Kijing Start Sayan Kajuk Manta Habapli Yakanika Science Exhibition Nashimbanta Daka Principal Kong W.K. Bla Batla Sakhilang Ru Daka Jingdan Lang Vice Principal Dr. K.B. Kharbateng Unohikai Science Ubabu Madhav Singh Kiwe Kinohikai Bat Kikhna Skul Jong Kateka Skul Hakanika Science Exhibition Kidan Hadu Arpu Artli Ki Model Ki Balapan Kre Daki Khna Skul Halor Ki Phang Bapher Ki Bayadei Bat Kajing Start Sayan
Third annual science exhibition organized by Alpha English Higher Secondary School for our own student to speak on STEM. Now you can see on the banner, third annual science exhibition 2026. Down here, theme is given STEM for Vikasit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. So STEM, what is STEM? So STEM consists of four terms. S stand for science, T technology, E, can anyone help me? Engineering, good, and M, mathematics. So these four terms or the four words is very important for creative mind. And in every aspect of life, we need certain ideas, and those ideas can be implemented or not. It can be a hypothesis, later on can be a theory. But it is all possible when we have STEM in us. So STEM education in India refers to learning and teaching in four key areas. Those key areas, what I mentioned here is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. STEM education is being promoted through certain initiative like you heard maybe Atal Tinkering Lab is one of the initiative. Then Digital India. Then our National Education Policy 2020, which encourages the skill-based and multidisciplinary learning to the students and teachers. Let me tell you the importance of STEM for children. It develops critical thinking, like what ma'am, she has already mentioned. It builds the practical skills, encourage innovation, create better career opportunities, just like engineering, medicine, artificial intelligence, space science. The role of STEM to support the Viksit virus, that is called Develop India, by creating skilled professional, then boosting the research and innovation, making India globally competitive. Now, what is the role of STEM for Atmanirbhar Bharat? That means self-reliant India. So STEM is essential for Atmanirbhar Bharat because it reduces dependence on foreign technology. You know that to make any type of device, sometimes we need certain type of chips or technology that we used to bring from other countries. But STEM will reduce this dependence on other countries. It encourages Make in India innovation. It helps students become job creator instead of job seeker. It promotes startup and entrepreneurship. STEM helps children think logically and ask questions and find solution instead of just answering or learning how to answer. You know, like in the class, sometimes teachers come and explain about the topic. Yeah, so some students, they ask that we need notes. We are actually giving notes, personally I feel, is a wasting of time. Because once the lecture is given, what is the concept is clear to you or not. If the concept is clear, you try to make your own notes. When you make your own notes, that means you are developing that creative mind. Otherwise, you will be depending on the teacher. So this STEM program, it always helps the students to develop the curiosity to learn and try to solve the problems by yourself.
What's link coming?
Yeah, it's more than
relationship between generation and the relationship between the land and sun. So let us see how this
Usually takes around so plastic usually takes around 20 to 1,000 years to decompose in landfills, with common items like 20 to 1,000 years. And in landfills, and common items like bottles, it usually decompose for about after around
everywhere, and it enters the aquatic and it harms everywhere. So for that thing, we can use something like this, which creates electricity from it.
fully disappear. So they are broken down into microplastics. From that it generates almost can generate 1 kilowatt hour. That is enough for one household. So if our waste can be utilized for the generation of electricity, like we don't need any more sustainable.
Do you guys want to know how it works? Normal house. We have to transparent.
Macam